Long ago, in a lush green forest, there lived a very strange bird named Bharunda. He was unlike any other because he had two heads but one body. Both heads lived together, ate together, and flew together. One day, while flying near a lake, the first head spotted a beautiful red fruit shining in the sunlight. Oh, what a delicious fruit! The first head said joyfully. The second head replied kindly, my friend, since we share the same body, let us enjoy it together. But the first head laughed proudly and said, no, no, I found it, so I will eat it alone. And he ate the entire fruit by himself. The second head felt insulted and angry. How selfish he is, it thought. I will teach him a lesson. The next day, while flying again, the second head saw a dark, poisonous fruit hanging from a tree. It smirked and said, this fruit looks bitter, but I will eat it just to punish the other head. The first head panicked and cried out, no, no, do not eat it. It is poisonous. We share the same body. We both will die. But anger had blinded the second head. It ate the fruit anyway. Within moments, poison spread through the body, and the poor bird fell lifeless to the ground. The forest fell silent. Every creature learned a valuable lesson that day. When unity is lost, destruction follows. Moral: jealousy and pride destroy harmony. Working together brings peace and survival.